on you, it does splash damage. That goes for everybody. You're always going to get splashed a little bit, but just the less possible, the better.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
One,
Remember, massive
two.
damage on Bellows. Bellows is the most important part.
1, 2.
Taste my axe.
Bring in 5. Breaking.
Get those billows pumping!
I think it's going to repair. Got it. Go, go, go. Bellows. Careful with the shield. Don't be in front of the bellows, finish it off. Okay, they're all going to be dying at the same time now.
Yeah, I got a cool one already. Move back, guys. We're gonna see.
Okay, third one soon. We don't have Stampede on the left side, so we're going to need really big... Kill off this next engineer. Okay, next big guy in 5 seconds. Be ready for this final bellows. We're going to use everything we've got. Try and kill this one so Dennis can do it. Go. Get the bellows, guys. Bellows, bellows, bellows.
Call in more security!
Okay, we're done on our side. 50.
20.
Finish off big guy.
Other side needs 2 bombs.
Okay, everyone to positions.
Adam,
Good enemy.
Cleave off of Foreman, remember?
Oh shit, the lag today.
There's slag
It's
elemental
retarded. What is up with this?
Some way. Everyone spread out in advance.
Wow.
Yep, go for it.
You should never lag.
Right, I'm dropping this security guard
Get on skull.
in 3, 2.
There's a shield there. Move it out of the shield.
Oh, it's out.
We need to move it out of the shield. We need to move it out of the shield. It's just sat in the shield still. Okay, get ready to go on Elementalist. Elementalist. Go. Keep cleaving though, keep cleaving. Cross is incoming soon. Get on the ads. Be on Foreman now. There's a fire caller, so just sit on a ranged.
No lag.
Keep cleaving. Keep cleaving.
Swag, I'm releasing.
Oh shit. No, 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 no. Where is she?
Keep cleaving. We need to, Vertek, you need to move that a little bit closer. Try and move it a bit closer. Get ready for Elemental. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Go.
Some heat on him. Yeah.
We're killing Foreman after this. We're killing Foreman after. Keep yourself alive. Okay, finish off Foreman. Take the next Elemental. Neve, it's on you. Go to the second Elementalist. Everyone else kill Foreman. Okay, get on Skull now. Everyone get on Skull. Why is there a fire caller on Swag? That makes no sense to me. Kill off the Slag Elemental. Okay, Primal Elementalist. go. Keep cleaving. The second one. It's on Vetak, but it's just a spare one. Keep going on the Primal Elementalist. Cross is on Ablution. Ablution, go to the second Elementalist. Get on the cross, get on the cross. There's lots of fire callers up, make sure to keep cleaving. Keep cleaving, guys. Everyone should be on cross. You're on, you need to come back to...
Oh, that
yeah,
wrong one,
Elementalist,
sorry.
Sal, can we res Sal, please? Keep cleaving, keep cleaving. Can we get some AoE stuns? There's a lot of fire callers in there.
Stuck down.
Elementalist, Elementalist, go. Keep cleaving though, keep cleaving. All the time. Just keep on cleaving. Xerox, you need to go to the next one immediately. I don't think we're going to get there in time. We always... yeah, don't worry, it's fine. Get ready for next set. Get on the fire callers for now, get on the fire callers. Everyone come over to the next positions and spread out. Just find new positions now. Just kill the fire callers. Apple, it's on Apple. Get on cross, everybody on cross. Keep cleaving. Make sure everyone's spread. Okay, Elementalist incoming. Skull is on Goober. Goober, get in. Go on Elementalist, go. Everybody on the Elementalist. Fire callers, get them into the group. Get them on top of Elementalist. Keep cleaving. Keep cleaving. Apple, you're going to go to the next one. Sorry, we're staying on this one, so Apple, stay where you are. Get cross Elemental. Skull, sorry. Okay, pushing this Elementalist again now. Elementalist incoming, keep cleaving. Keep cleaving. Tonic when you need, tonic when you need. Xerox, you're going to the next one. Don't kill cross yet, don't kill cross. Take it to the next one before we kill it.
Interrupt it, please.
Get on cross, get on cross. Okay, everyone on cross. New fire callers. Elementalist incoming, keep cleaving, keep cleaving. Go, go, go. Tonic if you need. Get on the Elementalist. Stay spread. Stay spread. Keep cleaving, remember. Keep cleaving. That's all you've got to do. The next one is on Myth. Myth, make sure you're in. I just interrupted it. Make sure Firecaller's dead. Can we get Skull interrupted, please? Get on Skull. Everybody on Skull. Everybody on... we need big deeps on the Elementalists, because it's only at 48%.
Body.
Elementalist, go on Elementalist. Cleave these fire... we just got new fire callers. Cleave them down. This is the last set we're getting. So get them in quickly and cleave them down. Stay spread. Res Sal. Clean up fire callers. Get on fire callers. Everyone over into the corner. The fire callers are low. Finish off the fire callers and the security guard. Everyone into the corner. Corner, corner, corner. Tonic when you need.
Any more security guards? Oh, there's one there.
Yep, careful of the shields that get dropped. Everyone should just be behind the boss. Just behind the boss, sort of where the all the slag elementals are. Can we get an amp? Vetak amp? Vetak amp? Sal amp them.
Tell me when you want him.
Move the boss a little bit, move the boss a little bit. Can we get some cooldown on Dennis? Tonic when you need.
Use Divine.
Vetak amp when you can. Myth, can you tide the next explosion?
Yeah.
Tide. Keep going. We've got 30 seconds until the real big painful bit. Move forward a little bit, please. Everyone forward. Fox is up. Careful with that melt. Can we Devo please? Devo. Res Goober. We've got a him, so just use it when you need it.
2 sacks as well.
Him please, him.
Used.
Move the boss, move the boss, move the boss. DPS pot, tonic when you need. Tonic when you need. We've got Trank up as well.
Seconds for both.
We've got 20 seconds on our lost. Can we put a barrier on... Move the boss. Everyone move. Can we get a barrier, please? An amp. Res Malakar. No, Res Myth.
Lusting for left hand side.
Tonic. Everyone tonic. Everyone tonic. Can we Spirit Link as well? Spirit Link. Lust on our side. Lust again. Lust. Move the boss. Stay on boss. Any cooldown you've got, just anything. Literally anything. Move the boss a little bit.
Paint up Dennis.
Just stay spread as possible. Stay on the boss. Any cooldown we've got. Vetak amp in 8. Just tonic. Any healing tonic. Healing tonic.
I'm dead.
Any cooldowns you've got. Just keep going on boss. Everything you've got, guys. Everything. Tonics again. Just tonics.
Kill it.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, you got it. Nice.
Yeah! Oh!
Thank God.
Oh!
Holy fuck. First shot.
Fucking hell.
Nice job, guys.
Well played.
Oh my God. Thank fuck. Fucking one shot there. Well done.
Screenshot, please. Let's not forget it.
Yeah. Thank fuck for that. First try. Nice. Holy shit.
That was easy. Can you give us a hard ball?
Why didn't we do that earlier?
I know, that last bit was so painful. Oh my God.
Can you res me? I'm at the entrance. Goober's on the left side.
I smelt that kill coming though, to be honest.
Yeah, during the battle last
Are we
night.
taking it in front of the dead boss? Sorry, taking it in front of the furnace.
In front of the boss or furnace?
I personally think the furnace looks cooler, but...
Blackhand, I'm not even prepared for that.
Why not? Should have been prepared.
Yeah, we'll have to see what to do next.
176.
Anyway, let's do a screenshot.
Can you
That's with
stack?
resetting though.
Could you just stack at the boss, take a picture so I can do a look?
I'd say it was about 70 wipes, I think. Grats Malakar. Fucking hell, that trinket's nice. Did Dennis not want that trinket?
That is true. He
Surprise.
pickpocked our entire raid.
Bonus rolled it.
Didn't have a chance.
Oh, nice.
Didn't need anything for Fury.
Yeah, nice job, guys. One shot, that was awesome.
Have we got a screenshot? Can I do a loot?
Yeah.
Can someone screenshot?
Cameron says. Goober, why are you doing like a bird?
Because I'm a bird.
It's so funny!
He's like a bird, he only flies away. He doesn't know where his home is.
The worst thing is I can't use that stupid Nick. Oh, fuck off. It's good for discipline though. It's discipline Nick. Yet another discipline Nick.
I know, technically we've cleared 9 out of 10 Mythic in about 3 hours this reset.